Hello, my name is Francisco, I'm a classical guitarist, and I decided to make a 1-minute tutorial video about sound production on the guitar and different qualities of sound and how to achieve a beautiful sound on the guitar. Usually there are many videos who approach this, nails and angle of attack and all these kinds of stuff. I decided to make a very short compilation, about 1 minute long, which can be useful for the beginner guitarists and also for many of my students for future reference. I hope you enjoy.